Friends, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to use Adobe Photoshop in enhancing an image. Alright, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to edit photos, basic photo editing using Adobe Photoshop. Well, this one will work in any of the other versions of Adobe Photoshop, but this time we're simply going to use Adobe Photoshop CS6. Alright, so without further ado, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Basic editing, photo editing using Adobe Photoshop. Hi there everyone, well it's me, Teacher Kevin, and this time all you need to do then is to sit back, relax, listen, watch, and learn. The first thing that I want you to take away from today is this: you will have good days and you will also have bad days. But you will always learn something more, something new, and you will learn more overall on bad days than good days. You will learn more about yourself, you will learn more about life, love, leadership from different principles, and you will build your character. Well, my dear students, in this world, you must learn to accept life so that the world will accept you. Okay, as you can see, my dear friends, we are already on the workspace of Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay? And today, I'm just simply going to teach you the basic things that you need to know to start manipulating or start using Adobe Photoshop in editing images. Okay? So first off, how do we open an image in Adobe Photoshop? Simply go to File, then hit in Open, or Control O. All right, and you will be redirected to where your images are. Right? Let's proceed to my pictures. All right, as you can see, there's an image here. All right, let's open it. Just wait for it. Alright, so there you go, my dear friends. This is our image. Alright, that's actually my image. Right? Do I look handsome there? Jokes. Okay, the first thing that I will teach you is how to crop an image. Okay, simply proceed in this button, and it says here the crop tool. Alright, there are so many options: crop tool, perspective, crop tool, slide select tool. But today, I'm just simply going to teach you the basic. Alright? Simply the crop tool. If you're going to click on this one, then definitely you may just select the part. Okay? And it will automatically be cropped. Alright? For example, this one. There you go. Or you may also move the different sides here to crop the image. Alright? For example, I'm just simply going to get a part of this image. For example, in this part. There you go. Just hit enter, my dear friends. Enter, then there you go. Cropped. Okay, that's simply how to use cropped. Next one, my dear friends, how to remove a background. Okay, using different tools. We actually have different tools in removing background. First one, the selection tool, and then deleting it. But first, make sure that our first layer or our image is being unlocked. Proceed here to the layers. There you go, and this is our image, which is our main background right now. Double click on this one to unlock, then hit OK. There you go. Okay, the next, my dear friends, you may use the quick selection tool. You may just then select. You may use plus or minus. Okay, this time we're going to use plus, and simply select the part that you want to remove. Okay, minus, there you go. Alright, then hit enter. There you go, background removed. Okay, but if you're going to use this tool, my dear friends, make sure that you have a plain background. Okay, such as white or any other color. As long as it is plain, it would be easier for you to remove the background if the background is plain. Okay. Alright, we also have, of course, the other tool here, the magic eraser tool, background eraser tool. Alright, there we can use this one to remove the background. Okay, we have different options here: eraser tool, background eraser tool, and magic eraser tool. Again, let's open an image as a sample. Alright, for example, this one, my image for my PRC license. Look at that. Don't laugh at it. Okay, Next, if we're going to use the eraser tool, just simply hit, or for example, if we're going to erase the background, okay? Just like what I've said earlier, using the quick selection tool, as long as your background is plain, just like this one, I am having a plain background, or I do have a plain background here since that, which is white. Proceed to magic eraser tool, then simply click on your background. As long as this is white or plain background, it will be easier for you to use this one. Then there you go. No more background, my dear friends. Okay? Again, Control Z. If you're going to click on this one, as long as your background is plain, it will be easier for you to remove the background. Okay? Next one, we still have a lot of options here, my dear friends, if how to remove a background for our image. Let's proceed to our first image earlier. Okay, using our polygonal lasso tool or lasso tools. Okay, right click on this one and you have different options: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. This time we're going to use polygonal lasso tool. Click on this one and simply using your left click and your mouse, you may just then drag the part or select the part that you want to remove. For example, in this one, let's just zoom this one out. Okay, and let's start here. Click, left click, left click, left click. There you go. Left click, just select the part. Left click, left click, left, left, left. Alright, for example, if you want to remove this part, my dear friends, click here, and combine it to the part where you started. Click, there you go, selected, then delete. But make sure that your background is being unlocked. Alright, so that's one other way, my dear friends, to remove a background. Okay, that's our second tutorial. Okay, you may use different options here. Alright, next, my dear friends, how to enhance the brightness, the contrast, the basic tools in editing an image here in Photoshop. Again, let's deselect this one. There you go, using the minus, the quick selection tool, and the minus. Alright, there you go. Proceed here in your image, make sure that your layer is selected, and you can see this button. Alright, and in here, you click this one and you have different options: solid color, gradient, pattern, brightness, contrast, levels, curves, exposure, and more. Let's use the brightness and contrast. There you go. We may adjust it here, brightness and contrast, if you want to enhance your image. There you go. Oops. There you go. Then to make it even more appealing. Alright, there you go. Okay, again, layers, make sure that this is selected, then proceed here in this button. There you go, and we have different options here. Alright, exposure and more. Exposure, oh, too much exposed. There you go, offset and more. Alright, so that's just simply how to edit an image. Those are just the basic things that we need to learn in Adobe Photoshop, my dear friends. Next time will be there will still be a part 2 in this vlog, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've learned something, and see you next time.